straight and always clean. Is for broccoli, fluffy and wide. Looks like a tree with strength and pride. C is for carrot, orange and bright. Crunchy raw, it's a delight. D is for delicate, long and white. Keeps in soil, a hidden sight. E is for eggplant, purple and brown. In the garden it's easily found. F is for fennel, sweet and light. Fragrant leaves, a lovely sight. G is for garlic with layers tight. Keeps us healthy day and night. H is for horseradish, spicy and bold, with roots that hide beneath the cold. I is for iceberg, crunchy and cold. Lettuce that's crisp in every school. J is for jicama, juicy and sweet. A crunchy veggie we love to eat. K is for kale, with curly leaf, full of power, strength and beef. L is for leek, long and neat, soft in soups, a tasty treat. M is for mushroom, fungi, grows in shade where it's dry. N is for napa, layered and grand, a cabbage that's in high demand. With flavor so deep, sometimes it makes us laugh and weep. Q is for keys in a green little pot. Pop them out with a gentle nod. Q is for quinoa greens, leafy and fair, light and healthy, floating in there. R is for radish, red with a snap, grows so fast, no need to nap. S is for spinach, soft and strong, helps grow all day long. T is for tomato, juicy and red, toss it fresh on top of bread. U is for upland cress, tiny and light, full of green and peppery bites. B is for durian or rhubarb, tart and bright, with leafy tops and stems so light. W is for watercress, wild and small, growing neat by the waterfall. X is for Sichuan, a melon treat, juicy and sweet in summer heat. Y is for yam, a root so sweet, bake it up for a cozy treat. Z is for zucchini, green and long, a veggie that sings the garden song.